It's coming.
Your fish piece. Are you happy?
Get ready.
Pretzel.
Time for breakfast. Good morning! Today is the day we're going to Baguio. It's a Sunday and yan, kami yung pinagdala ng mga gamit. Yung mga kasama namin, yung buong family, nauna na sila kanina because I still need to deliver this cake and yung mga cupcakes sa Jerry's Grill, Balibago. And after that, diretso na kami biyahe to Baguio. Currently here at the AutoSweep station, magpapa-install kami ng AutoSweep because we don't have it yet. Bago tong sasakyan. And yes, and we got our coffee kanina. Cold brew con crema. Here's our Airbnb. Alam niyo ba, funny story guys. Before, dito kami naka-check-in. Yan, sa Black House na yan. Hindi ko alam kung nakikita nyo. But I don't think so na nakikita nyo. And then, yun nga, naghanap ako ng another Airbnb or stay ng biglaan dahil nga dun sa nangyari. And I found this. Kung yung before, black siya. Kaya hindi nyo siya nakikita. And this is a white house. Katabing-katabi niya. I guess it's meant to be. But yeah, sobrang stress talaga nang nangyari. As in, kinagat kami ng mga surot and all. Yung pamangkin ko, nangangate. Hindi namin alam saan nanggagaling yung mga kati-kati. But I'm just so glad that we were able to find this na available for tonight. And sakto siya dun sa date namin kasi 14 to 16 to, 17, fully booked na siya until next year. So, thank you Lord. Now, I'm going to do a house tour.
Let's go outside. The snow is falling down, and every child is having so much fun. The snowman is twice the size as me, with a smile as quirky as mine. We're holding hands to keep each other warm while we stand and watch a choir perform and all the Christmas.
This is the second floor. As you can see, parang siyang open bedroom, which is divided into 5. Hiningal ako. And then there's a mirror here. That's my outfit. Anyway, ito yung unang section niya. Meron ditong sofa bed. Yes, that's for 2. And then, meron din dito. I think this is good for kids. May natutulog, sorry. Yan. Bye-bye. And then, I think is the master's bedroom kasi may sarili yung siyang CR. It's so nice. May TV din pala. So nice because ang bango ng place. And ang ganda ng mga gamit. I think bago pa lang to. Kaso masama. For the third floor, ito siya. It's so nice. This is my favorite part kasi magsasamgyupsal kami dito tomorrow. Yay! You know what guys? Sobrang ganda ng sunset tsaka sunrise dito. This is the view. Meron silang table. Ang lamig! I think it's around 18 degrees. Mga ganun siguro yun, 18 degrees. Dito yung sunrise niyan. Tapos dito yung sunset. Ay, hindi! Baliktad dito yung sunrise. Dito yung sunset. I think tomorrow ako magsa-story time kung anong nangyari dun sa first Airbnb namin.
Wala kasi beef. Beef.
Alright.
Ayun, binili ko na lang. Pinapulot ka ice cream. Ang ganda niya.
Wow! It's So ganda!
The snow is falling down and every child is having so much fun. The snowman is twice the size as me with a smile. It's quirky, it's mine. Keep each other warm.
Pero napili ko na siya bago siya mag-send ng
Watch
wish
choir
list.
performing all the Christmas songs that we love. Yeah, all the
Give your
Christmas
other
songs that we love.
Crazy!
And in a while we're gonna go
Yes,
inside.
the same shoes.
Cause all I want is to
Thank you muna.
Thank you very much.
Welcome! Oh, ano yan?
moment we'll feel
Maybe
the
use this for church.
joy.
Has
It's a
to be.
beautiful Christmas,
Okay, so.
baby, with you. I don't need any presents.
That's mine! I'm gonna wear that tomorrow.
Picture, picture.
Beautiful
Make sure.
kissing on
Ba't ganyan siya?
Hello.
Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas. Wow, it's been party.
This is the breakfast. Time for breakfast.
Oh my god, oh my god.
Good morning! It's the second day today and the weather is good. It's a very good morning. Nakapag-breakfast na kami and all. I would just like to share yung story namin kahapon. What happened to our first Airbnb. So, nag-book kami ng Airbnb for around 23,000 for 2 nights. And sa Airbnb app, it's really good. Maganda yung mga reviews. So, I didn't notice yung isang review about mosquitoes. So, what happened was, nag-check-in kami and upon arriving, kahit yung mga pamangkin ko, sabi nila, this place is not good. Kasi, pagpasok mo dun sa stay, amoy kulob. Alam mo yung parang wood na hindi na tuyo. So, ganun yung amoy. So, I think there's a problem with molds. I don't know. Pero ganun kasi yung amoy eh. Tapos, sobrang laki ng mga lamok. So, napansin ko na yung pamangkin ko, may skin allergy siya. Ang dami niya ng kati-kati. And ako din, nangangati yung leeg ko. Ito. Well, hindi naman kami maselan actually. Pero it's just that, hindi lang namin ma-ignore yung fact na nangangati kami and hindi kami comfortable sa amoy ng place. Yung brother-in-law ko rin na merong rhinitis allergy. So, hatching siya ng hatching, sneeze siya ng sneeze, hindi siya tumitigil. So, we thought na hindi kami magiging comfortable for 3 days to stay there. So, I contacted the host and told them na we cannot stay and we need to check out. So, immediately, I searched for another stay. Luckily, ang ganda ng place na to. This is inside the Bermuda Hills subdivision. And nagtanong pa yung host, sabi niya, are you okay? Why are you transferring? Of course, they have to check also if we are safe. Bakit? Suddenly, in 1 hour or within an hour, lilipat kami ng stay or mag-check-in kami. So sabi ko, sinend ko yung mga photos ng pamangkin ko, yung mga marks, yung mga kati-kati. And sabi niya, kawawa naman yung mga bata. Alis na kayo dyan. So, umalis kami and then they entertained us. We paid when we arrived. They're very kind just to make sure, of course, marami ng mga scam ngayon. So, sabi ko, okay lang po ba? Within an hour, darating na kami. Okay lang ba na magbayad kami upon arrival? So, they accepted. And the house is so good. I'm so happy. Sobrang layo niya doon sa stay namin na una. But yeah, just be careful guys when you book an Airbnb. Hindi mo rin mapagkakatiwalaan yung mga reviews. So, yeah, that's my advice. And, guess what? This place is like 24,000 for 2 nights. Very solid. Almost same lang. 1,000 lang yung difference nung una. So, ang layo niya and it's very luxurious inside. Ang ganda ng mga gamit. Alam mo, good quality. Yung sofa, yung mga beds, TV, their appliances, yung mga cabinets. It's so good. That's why I'm really just happy na nahanap ko to agad-agad with that amount of time na meron kami. Marami pa silang dinedevelop na Airbnb dito. Most of the houses here for rent sila. Like ito, under construction siya. So I think for rent din siya soon. Kasi last time na nasa Hill House kami, itong bahay na to, under construction din, nakikita namin. It is so nice, no?
Go drift. Boy, this is not a bumper car, bro.
It's not a bumper car.
You need a push.
You need a push.
Hi.
We're here at Foam Coffee. We just arrived. Say hi, Brie. Good.
Doon itong share location po.
Masarap. Ng matcha. Sweet.
Dito nag-uod si ano dati.
Masarap. Tikman mo te, yung matcha. Mas free. Ano sa share location? Di ako na. Kasi
Let's go outside. The snow is falling down, and every child is having so much fun. The snowman is twice the size as me, with a smile as quirky as mine. We're holding hands to keep each other warm while we stand and watch a choir performing all the Christmas songs that we love. Yeah, all the Christmas songs that we love. And in a while we're gonna go inside and drink our chocolate by the fire. Cause all I want.
on the way to Camp John, hey! Say hi, guys!
Hey.
Ang dilim, di kayo nakikita. Hi, guys!
Hello.
Hi guys.
Hi guys.
Nandito kami sa Starbucks because sobrang daming tao sa Camp John, hey. No, boy? So many people. Look at the people here.
So many people.
It's packed. Last day today. We're going home today. One last look of this view. Closing the doors now. Goodbye. Before we go home, dadaanan muna namin yung Victoria Bakery. I don't know if matagal na siya, pero it's very well known for its crinkles and cream puff. So, we have to try. Bibili din tayo ng mga pasalubong. Di pa ako nagbe-breakfast, so baka dun na lang din. Mag-coffee na rin. Meron din silang cafe sa loob aside from the pasalubongs and souvenirs they sell. Let's go! This is the Victoria Bakery. May cafe din sila. Pwede tayong magkape pa? Pwede tayong magkape muna after.
Dito, ulan dito.
Yeah, bili ka. Bili mo sila mama. Yan.
12,000. Pagkano convert?
Very crinkle.
Sarap to.
Masarap daw to.
ilan? Paano?
Ay, nagtitinda lang sila ng plants. Plants here. Ito yung cafe.
Sa pitas battery lang, yung battery ng lupa.
Oo, premium field. Oo. Eh, yan po.
Dalawa lang.
Ay, sarap. Ang bago niya.
Mabango? Here's our pasalubong. Basic breads.
Basic fish.
Yeah, basic beef. Subway buns.
Say,
I'm not gonna say anything. I don't know why you just recorded.
say hi to everybody.
Hello.
Ano ba yan?
Oh, masarap. Try natin.
Sobrang maraming sipon. Bumili kami ng mga pasalubong and breads. And this is what we ordered for dining. Pero bumili din kami ng mga crinkles and red velvet crinkles para ibigay sa mga friends. And iuwi sa bahay. Thank you so much. Oh, can I taste? Show it here.
Hi friends.
This is really good.
Can I taste?
Bosin.
Oh my gosh, it's buzzing!
You share laway with your
My wife.
with your
It's busting.
It's bustin'! Guys, sobrang sarap nito. Crinkles, 100 pesos only, 10 pieces. And malalaki sila. Bibili pa ako ulit mamaya.
ice americano.
Thank you so much. This is my flat white. This is the breakfast spread. Alam mo yan, anong kalasa niya? Kape sa Japan.
Oh, good.
Sarap na mojako nila kasi may feeling. So good. Pork floss bread. Oh, may feeling lahat, no? Napansin ko hindi nila tinipid yung mga bread nila dito. Like, super daming feeling. Magkano lang to, no? Magkano to? Guys, hindi nyo chinek. I think around 60 pesos. Harap nito.
Maapaw.
Nandito sila si Kat sa cream puff.
Bili ka na lang kaya cream puff na Pringles.
Harap? Hindi siya makamess. Okay. I get it right. Malamig yung puff niya sa loob. Ay, puff. Malamig yung cream niya sa loob. Hindi siya matamis, no? Sarap.
Sopa.
Sobrang nice. Go here, guys. If you're going to Baguio, daanan niyo siya. Sugar donut. Na gustong-gusto nila. Bili ko lang sa bakery ng mga sugar donuts. Yung wala
Nilala ko yan.
Nilala ko. Ay, oo. Tapos, naka-basket sila. Tapos may tela.
Cheese.
Ay, may
Cheese
feeling na
donut.
cheese. Lagi may feeling na. Tigano lang to, diba? Magkano lang? 50? Very nostalgic nga yung lasa. Pero ganun nga yung lasa. Yung sa mga nilala ko. Pero upgraded kasi marami siyang cheese eh. Yung sa mga nilala ko, meron bang cheese yun? Parang wala. Kung meron man, parang isang ganun lang. Cube. Ay. Ay. Yan, pack. Oh, sige. Okay. Get ready. Ali, mag-take ako. Nag-take out ako ng calamansi juice nila sa Victoria Bakery. Sobrang sarap. Sinisipon ako ngayon. Ang problema lang, hindi ko pinatanggal yung ice. Pero tinanong ko, gamit nila calamansi with pure honey. Kasi 'di ba, sikat din dito sa Baguio yung pure honeys nila. And sobrang asim niya, which I like. Masarap. Kaya gusto mo ba tikman? Ang sarap talaga niya. Ayaw niya kasi nag-Amerikano siya. Pag naghalo-halo daw yung kape tsaka kalamansi sa tiyan niya, baka di niya kayaan. Pero ako okay lang kasi nag-flat white ako kanina. Sobrang sarap.